Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I got some happy mail. The Liberty Box from Fat Quarter Shop. Now I know you guys know I canceled my sew sampler, but they do have these specialty boxes. The Liberty Box, they do a spooky box for Halloween, and they do a jolly box for Christmas. And I felt like in the past that these were a good value, so I decided to try this one this year. So let's get it open and see what's inside. Okay, so you can see I've opened the box and it says Stars and Stripes, big and bright, Sweet Land of Liberty. So this is definitely an American 4th of July sort of holiday-ish box. So sorry, like my Canadian friends or other international friends. So I'm going to take this out, and usually on the back of these, like the sew sample, there's a code for a coupon code for something on their website. So I'm not going to show you the back, but this time it is 20% off all Sweetwater fabrics, or a half yard from the Stateside collection with any $25 plus purchase. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that collection is probably, yep, right there, I can see it in this box, Stateside, so you can probably get like backing or binding or whatever else we'll need to make this project. So that's kind of nice that they're giving you a discount on it, so whatever we need to add to this to finish it, because you know they never give us a complete fabrics to finish a project, that we can get it at a discount. So that's a good stack of fabrics there. I don't usually open these on camera, but I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is a Moda fabric line called Stateside from Sweetwater Fabrics, and a lot of you know Sweetwater Fabrics. I certainly do. And it looks like there's a lot of interesting stuff in here, so let me go one at a time. Okay, so Apple Pie Stateside Fat Quarter Bundle. So this is a $33.98 value, and I don't know if there's any of these boxes left, but I will link down below if there is under this video. I believe this box cost $51, so more than the regular sew sampler, but usually it's because it's specialty and they give you more things. So I'm not going to take it all completely apart, but there's a stripe, which I love a stripe for binding, so hopefully that's binding. This one has words, and it says America, United States is in white writing, so you can't see that. And then there's these are kind of a cream background, which is common for Sweetwater. This one's cream with flags. This is a blue, just a blender. A navy blue with all the states on there: Montana, Colorado, Hawaii, Indiana, things I can see right up front. And it also says like Indiana, the Hoosier State; Hawaii, the Aloha State; Colorado, Centennial State. So it tells like what the little saying from each state. And then there's an America fabric again with the white words, but this time it's on the navy background, so it makes it red, white, and blue, which is kind of pretty. Oh, I like that one. That's a really pretty red, like floral blender. Not sure, it's not really coming that well across on the camera, but it's really pretty. And then the red flag, and then the white. It's supposed to be like, you can kind of see it, tone on tone. I need a blue light like Soya has. Tone on tone blender. It's cream, and then there's like circles of stars on there. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that's really pretty. Actually really like Sweetwater fabric. They do, the Sweetwater are the people, blah, 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 I can't talk. Sweetwater are the people that I get my labels from, which I've shown you here on my channel before for my quilts. They also have a box that comes out, and I want to say it's quarterly, but I could be completely wrong, where they send you projects and their fabrics. So if you don't get this box, or if you do like Sweetwater, but you're not sure where to get it, you can always go to Sweetwater, their website, and actually sign up for their subscription box. I don't know how much it is, so sorry about that, right off the top of my head. Okay, this supposedly is a bonus, which is valued at $4.48. This is a Lori Holt B Vintage tape measure. Of course, you guys know I sell Riley Blake and Moda, so none of this is new to me. I've seen that. It's really cute though. If you're a Lori Holt liker, like Jan from Canada, she loves Lori Holt. She probably like that. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. We have Bowen pins. There's 80 in here, and they are glass head pins, and actually I love Bowen products. I think they're really good quality, and so I'm really kind of excited about these. Usually these kind of pins though are a little too thick for my liking, but I don't know until I open them and try them. I like a really, really fine pin because I don't want to leave holes in my fabric. But they are pretty. They would look really nice if I made like a red, white, and blue pin cushion for decoration. Okay, then we have another Lori Holt project, or product, not project, product. Her Cute Cuts, I think this is a 4.5 inch ruler. Yep, 4.5 inch ruler. I'm going to leave both of these things in the plastic because I know somebody else who might like those and I don't need them. Let's see. Yeah, 4.5 inch square ruler. It's a $7.98 value. So that's nice. I've got so many rulers. I've got a couple 4.5 inch sizes, so I hate to like open this and I can just gift it to somebody else that likes Lori Holt stuff, because I like Lori Holt stuff. I don't dislike it. I'm just not a big fan, and I know there's some people that are big fans. So this is not a quilting item, but I really, really like these. Land That I Love USA and Land of the Free, and these are coasters. I love coasters for my sewing space because I always have water down here, at least, sometimes other drinks, and they sweat, and then I'm constantly wiping up little spots. So I love having coasters in my sewing space. So these are great. I actually really like these. I wouldn't take these upstairs because I think my boys would probably break them because they're ceramic. So I'm going to leave these down here, but I love those. Those are cute. Okay, and then the last thing in the box, oh, in the bottom of the box says Land of the Free and Home of the Brave. And I always say Land of the Free because of the brave, because isn't that the truth? Okay, and now, and I've already made a couple different flag things, so I'm not sure if I will make this. I might make this and give it to somebody, actually. This is a wall hanging. It looks like a flag. It's 27.5 by 36.5 inches. It looks like it actually would go together really quickly, so I actually might make this and give it to somebody. I've already made my front door flag. If you follow me, you know I did that on one of my Saturdays with Steph. And I did the Fort Worth Fabric Studio flag looking thing that looks similar to this. That's really supposed to be a table runner, but it's kind of wide, so you could use it for a flag. So I don't know if I personally need another flag item, but I do love this, and I think I would make it and give it to somebody because it's really cute. Okay, so what else do you need? What's in your box is the Fat Quarter Bundle. What else do you need? You need a 1/2 yard of binding and a 1.25 yards of backing. So that's where that 20% off coupon that's on here comes into play. Plus it says you get a 1/2 yard of SKU 5561724 from the Stateside Collection with any $25 purchase. So I am going to bet, and I don't have, is that the same number? Yep, it's the same number as the SKU number for the binding. So if you, it's saying if you buy $25 worth of stuff at their website, which could be your backing fabric, you can get the 1/2 yard for the binding for free. So that's really nice. I like that they gave us coupons so you can use it to finish this project. And you actually don't need that much. A lot of their boxes, which was a frustration for me with the Sew Sampler, is that you would get just a couple pieces of fabric and you'd have to buy a whole bunch more, plus background fabric, plus binding and backing. This one, because it's a specialty box, which they charge you a little bit more for, you got everything except for the binding and backing, which is actually really common in boxes like this, in project boxes. So I am not mad about that at all. I really like this. I love the project. It's just I have a bunch of red, white, and blue things already, but that's not their fault. But I think I do really think I will make this and then gift it to somebody. So, because I do like the project. Anyway, that is their Liberty box from Fat Quarter Shop. And like I said, I will look this up and see if they still have some available, and I will link that down below if they do. I think everything in this box is really nice. There's nothing in here that I'm like I did with the Sew Samplers where I was like, eh. I actually like everything. I just won't use either of these things because I've got a million tape measures and I've got several 4.5 inch squares. So I know a Lori Holt lover and I will pass that on. But it's not because they're not good. I do like them. And then I love these coasters. These are great. So, great box overall. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I will see you soon. All right, well, I'm back. I just wanted to pop on really quick and say that I went over to Fat Quarter Shop's website, and unfortunately, the Liberty box is sold out. I can see why. It's a nice box. If this sew sampler would have been like this every month, I would have kept up. All the notions were great. The fabric was fabulous. So if you're interested in the fabric in this box, though, I did check, and they do still have stateside on their website. So I will put the link to Fat Quarter Shop down below. And I do like Fat Quarter Shop for other things. As you can see, I've got the blocks on the wall behind me, the two lower ones. One is this past year's Designer Mystery, which is the last block of it, and the other block is this year's Designer Mystery 2023 that just started. So I do like Fat Quarter Shop. I just outgrew the sew sampler. That's it. So stay tuned, and I'll have different things from Fat Quarter Shop in the future. All right, guys, take care and have a great day. Bye.